Do you like your train? Can you say thank you, Mimi and Tata? It looks like Pop Pop's train, doesn't it? Yeah? Can you stand up, please? Stand up? So Mimi and Tata can see how cute you look in the outfit they got you. Yeah?